It's judgment time for the baker's showstoppers.
She messed up her cake.
It's a nice thick cut of boots.
That is a good cut of mozzarella.
She says your nose bleeds. If I cut the triangle thing here and I cut it to a crop top. Not like a crop top, but like
No one's gonna see it because she's gonna have a coat on.
Baby bitch. Oh shit, sorry mom, it was just a bug.
I'm wearing my little towel tomorrow too.
What were you doing last night?
last weekend.
Yeah. Oh, I don't even get a medal, nothing. This lady sucks at bowling, but that's not my business. And I'm not fucking playing around anymore, mark my words. Alright, what time is it now?
Time to fucking go home and play Nintendo. Just
That's when I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to. When I'm lying close to someone else. You're stuck in my head. Okay, I'm not even trying to be funny. This Bottle King employee just literally screamed, "Are you fucking kidding me?" Because someone left the cart over here instead of in here. Eyes on the register, alright? Eyes on the register. Oh, yeah, is something fucking funny? Alright, so we're going to my dad's right now to forcibly rip my Nintendo 64 out of my dad's little puny grip. Alright, I'm just kidding. My dad is so strong now. He could hurt me. He's hurt me a lot. What? Party too! Get out. Who's winning? You're saying Chanel looks ugly. So you're saying
No, I said she's beautiful. But the makeup was heavy, that's all I said.
Ran out of gas for the millionth time in my life because I'm so poor. Coasting down the shoulder till my dad brings me some gas. Okay, we're really slowing down now. Really slowing down now. Baby, baby, baby. Don't do it like that. And he has arrived. Thanks. Getting a flu shot because I don't want to die. Today, at least. I don't want it. Go ahead.
It's up there a little bit, so.
Sorry, I got a fat arm.
No, you don't have a fat arm. You're using the phone.
Ow.
You're faking it.
So, I'm here at AutoZone, and I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna go inside, buy some oil, come back out here, and I think I'm gonna put it in my car. I think it's pretty easy. Don't think it's too complicated. We'll see. I can do this. No. Frosty the Snowman is playing. Okay, so to be honest, the guy in there was not very helpful. But he said this should be okay, so here we go. All right, change of plans. I can't do it, guys. I don't fucking know. There's something blocking. I don't know. Gotta go. Someone's fucking lighting firecrackers off out here. Right. Something. I bought the freaking right oil. I got the funnel. I called my dad to tell me where the oil cap was. Shit, I hope I put that cap back on. I did. I know I did. That is the hand of a hard worker.